In the previous video, I left you all at the internals of entry point. If you haven't watched that video, then go and watch it now, otherwise this video doesn't make any sense to you. And those who watched it already, then for whom we are waiting for, let's see the internals. So, in the main program, each line of code contains a set of instructions along with one or more operands. And there are huge number of instructions which are available into assembly. And we don't need to remember the functions of all the instructions. Now, for performing the operations quickly, the CPUs have different types of set of registers which stores temporary data from the processor for the fast execution of it. Here, MOV is an instruction which inserts data into register by providing operands as a register named as RAX, and here one is for enabling system write operation. So to tell the system where to write, I moved the one into RDI register, that is to write on the standard output console. The next task is to store the MSG's data into the register, so I inserted that into RSI. Now to execute the code which are stored at these registers, I called syscall operation, which requests a service of execution from the kernel of operating system. Now if we try to run these codes, we'll face a segmentation fault, which is a failure condition raised by the hardware to notify an operating system that this code has attempted to access the restricted area of the memory. For that, I updated the RAX register with 60, which is for the system exit instruction, and also giving 0 in RDI register, which is for error code 0 and indicates success. And then finally called syscall again for complete execution of the program. Now if you compile this program, then it will return an object code file, and then with the help of linker you can create it in your desirable executable. So this is all about the Hello World program. And I think you have got the basic architecture of assembly with its working. While dealing with assembly, we saw that we can directly talk with the hardware of the system, and here registers plays a much important role in performing the task with the processor. And while reverse engineering, we also require knowledge about the registers, and I think it's time to understand them. So in the next video, we'll talk about the registers of the CPU and some more concepts. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a head start to that red button. Meet you soon. Until then, stay tuned.